European Union leaders are gathering in Brussels on Thursday for a special council on defense as French President Emmanuel Macron warned that the continent was at a turning point of history. As well as rearmament, leaders are expected to discuss how the body can further support Kyiv in the face of the US President Donald Trump's announcement on Monday that he would suspend aid to Ukraine. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky is invited to the summit. Nerves have grown increasingly frayed across the Europe since the Trump and Zelensky showdown at the White House last week, and the rhetoric around the Thursday summit leaves no doubt about the importance of European Union officials are ascribing to it. 3 years on since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine, the Trump administration overtures to the Russian President Vladimir Putin have left many in the Europe concerned that the continent would not be able to rely on the US support for its security. Washington's decision on Wednesday to pause intelligence sharing with Ukraine did not do nothing to allay those worries. In a sign of the depth of concern, President Macron said France was open to discussing extending the protection offered by its nuclear arsenal to its European partners during an address to the nation on Wednesday. That followed a call from the Friedrich Merz, likely to be Germany's next chancellor, to discuss increased nuclear sharing. Europe was facing a clear and present danger on a scale that none of us have seen in our adult lifetime. European Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen also said that while the European Council President Antonio Costa said this was a defining moment for Ukraine and European security. In a letter to European leaders, von der Leyen also said the continent had to meet the moment and unleash our industrial and productive power and direct it to the goal of security. On Monday, von der Leyen also announced an unprecedented defense package dubbed Rearm Europe and said that the Europe was ready to massively boost its defense spending with the speed and ambition that is needed. Von der Leyen said the three proposals outlined in the Rearm Europe plan would both support Ukraine and address the long-term need to take much more responsibility for European security, likely referring to the fact that many Europeans feel the continent can no longer automatically rely on the US to come to its aid.